Today, let us see issue of shares at part. In that, we study oversubscription and pro rata allotment. Okay, now first let us take the problem. Now let me dictate. Take it. The India Limited issued a prospectus offering 1,000 equity shares of rupees 1,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. 1,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each on the following terms. Payable application money. Application money it is how much? Rupees 2 each. 1 by 100. And allotment money. Allotment it is rupees 4 each. Rupees 4 each. Then first call rupees 2 each. Then second and final call. Second and final call rupees 2 each. So if you have all these rupees, all these installments, 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2 is 10. So it must be equal to the face value of the shares, that is rupees 10. So that is issue of shares at par. So I hope you have taken payable on application rupees 2 per share, payable on allotment rupees 4 per share, payable on first call rupees 2 per share, payable on second and final call rupees 2 per share. Now take next slide. Subscriptions were received for 1,350 shares and the allotment made was as under. So subscription was received for 1,350 shares and the allotment was as under. Take down our allotment in full. Allotment in full 750 shares allotted. Pro rata allotment for 500 shares at the rate of 1 for 2 shares applied. For every 1 share, 2 shares, 1 shares are given. Remaining was not allotted and cash received on the application was returned. Money overpaid on accepted applications was employed on account of subsidy or allotment. Next slide. Show the journal entries to record the above, assuming that all the installments are duly received. And you are also required to prepare ledger account. Also prepare ledger accounts. Now here, 1,000 equity shares of rupees 10 were issued to the public. But how many subscriptions were issued? 1,350 applications were issued. Remember this, applications issued. Instead of 1,000 applications, only 1,000 equity shares are issued, but the applications issued are 1,350. The access to the extent of 350 shares were issued excess. 350 shares are 1,000 shares in the matra application call ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು 1,000 shares ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆದರೆ application ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು 1,350 applications. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ what you can say is 350 shares ಅನ್ನು excess ಆಗಿ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So this is how it is done. It is given in the problem. Allotment in full, 750 shares were allotted. See here, out of 1,350 applications, 750 shares were allotted full. 750 shares were allotted full. We have received 1,350 applications, but we have to issue only 1,000 equity shares. That's why out of 1,350 shares, 750 shares were issued in full. How many is remaining now? According to the application received, how much is remaining there? It is how much? 1,350 minus 750 comes to 600. 600 were every two applications, see, for every two shares application, one share is issued. Every two application for shares, one share was issued. This was the thing. So what happened? Another 500 applications were issued. That is only 250 shares were given, but for 500 applicants, 500 applications. Now let us see. Let us do the working now. How it works. So I hope you understood this one concept. 1,350 applications were issued, but 750 applications were issued in full. But remaining, out of 600 remaining, 500 applications were issued on pro rata allotment basis. Means those who applied for 2 shares, they were given only 1 share. That's why 500 for 500 applications only. For every 2 shares, share application, 1 share was received. That's why 250 shares are adjusted like this. Now 100 shares, 100 out of 600, 100 what remaining? What is remaining? That is returned. That is returned. Now we'll see how much amount is returned there. See, money received on application. Money received on application, how much? Money received on application is received on application is 1,350 into 2, because application is 2 per share, so it comes to 2,700. 2,700 application money was received. Then due on application actually how much? Actually due on application actually ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ due on application was only because only how much is called? Only 1,000 shares were called. So 1,000 into 2 due on application is only 2,000 rupees. Due on application is only 2,000 rupees. Then what? How much excess is received here? Here excess received is 700 rupees on application. 700 rupees with excess received. So for this we can write excess received. Excess received is 700 rupees on application received. On application call, excess 700 rupees were received. Again, what they say is, how many shares were there? Out of 1,350 shares, 750, I told you, out of 1,350 shares, 750 shares were issued full, and then remaining here 600. Out of 600, 500 shares were issued on pro rata allotment basis. It means 100 shares were not at all allotted any shares. Andre 100 shares yaar 100 shares ಇದೆ ಯಾರು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ 100 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾರು ಶೇರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ 1 ಶೇರ್ ಸಹ ಕೊಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅವರು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. That's why we directed for right that money returned. So 100 application money is 100 applications what money received was returned. So right, money return is how much? Money return is on 100 application 2 per application money, rupees 2 per application money return. That is 100 into 2 is 200. 500 is there. So now how much is there? 500 is there. This 500 it is to be again here adjusted against allotment. This 500 is to be adjusted against allotment. For this you can write to be adjusted against allotment. This 500 is to be adjusted against allotment. Remember this. This 500 is to be adjusted against allotment. This you keep in your mind. Now we'll pass the journal entries. Okay. Now we'll pass the journal entries. And I just wipe it. Now if you have taken working note, you can take here. Otherwise, you can go reverse and you can pause it and go reverse and you can see again. You can Right. Journal entries. Journal entries in the books of in the books of India Limited. India Limited. So now I will draw lines for journal entries. I hope you all know the format. Sorry. Right there. Serial I am going to write because here date is not there. Particulars. Then ledger folio. Amount, it is in terms of rupees. It is also, sorry, not amount, debit in terms of rupees, credit in terms of rupees, right, in terms of rupees. Now I pass journal entries. See, first year always you remember there are 4 events here. One is application money, another is allotment money, and one more is first term, and last one is second and final term. First we will see, we will show here for the application money received. Received as it is going to make entry. For the application money received as it is entered to make. So bank account debtor received is received. So that's why you write 1,350 shares into rupees 2. It is 2,700. To equity share application account. To equity share application account. 2,700. 2,700, right? Narration being equity share application money received. Application money received. The equity share application money received. Then second entry what we will do is we return application money for 100 shares, that you know. We return, that's why that is to be shown that. First let us capitalize the application money, right? Share, equity share, application account debtor, equity share application account debtor to equity share capital account. How much here? 2,700 we cannot take. How many shares actually we got is only 1,000 shares. So 1,000 share and it's a fixed value to take. So we write there 1,000 into 2. It is 2,000 only we have to take. 2,000. Here also 2,000. Only remember how many applications we got and it's a face value. It may be at a par, it may be at discount, or it may be at premium. It doesn't matter. So keep it in mind like that. Right. Being share application money. Being share application money capitalized. Being share application money, it is capitalized. Okay. This is for the capitalization of it. Then again 700 is there. Out of 2,700 received, 700 is there. So we know that there are 100 applications received or 100 applications received. We have not allotted any share. Any share is not allotted. That's why it is to be returned to the party. Okay? Through bank or through check. So it is to be rejected or returned. Right. Share application account data or equity share. So what is written there? That only right. Equity share application account equity share application account debtor to bank account. Two check we are giving. So to bank account, how many shares? How many applications? 100 into 2. 100 applications are being rejected now. It is rejected. That's why we are giving back the amount to the application. Those who applied for equity shares, right? Being application money, return on 100 applications which were not allotted shares, Right. These are 3 entries. Again 500 is there, that will adjust against the allotment. So now let me write these first 3 entries. Okay. You keep in mind, first 3 entries, let me write this. Okay, we go to the 4th entry. Because for application only there are 4 entries now. All the 4 entries are to be considered. So we take here. 4th entry is, so already 2,700 application money is received the year. 2,000 is capitalized, 200 returned, and remaining is 500. It is to be adjusted against the allotment. So we will adjust now. 4th entry is adjustment of rupees 500 against the allotment, right? Equity share application account debtor. Here application account debtor 500 to equity share allotment account. Right. Narration being application money adjusted against allotment. Okay. This is for here. This first 4 entries are for application money. Now we go for allotment. Allotment only now we will do only for 1,000 equity shares. Because 1,350 shares are not allowed to issue. Only we are allowed to issue 1,000 equity shares. Now onwards we have to make allotment call, then first call and final call only for number of equity shares. Actually we are allowed to issue. Okay, now we go for allotment. Right there. Share allotment account debtor. You can better write equity share allotment account debtor. Allotment account debtor. How much it is? 1,000 shares into rupees 4 per this one. Afterwards we will adjust again. Okay? Allotment account debtor. It is 4,000 to equity share capital account. To equity share capital account. 4,000. Right narration? Being allotment money being allotment money due. Being allotment money due. Close this. Being allotment money due. Next entry is receipt of allotment money. Next entry is what? Receipt of allotment money. Already 500 is received. So now how much we have to receive is only 4,000 minus 500. It comes to 3,500. We need to receive only 3,500. Right. Bank account debtor 3,500 to equity share allotment account 3,500 being allotment money received. Being allotment money received. See here, this 3,500 is because of 4,000 minus already the amount received in application. Okay. Then obviously it is 3,500. Like this we are adjusted it. So like this adjustment we have to do and we have to take. Now we have received allotment money, no problem. We will go to the now allotment money received. Now we will go for first column. Now onwards it is easy like previous problem. Now I will do it. Now only no confusion at all. I hope you have taken this. Now we will go for first column and second call or final column. Okay. This is the seventh entry. So first call is how much here? For many shares first call is being there. It is for 1,000 shares only. Right there. Share first call account debtor. Equity share. First call account debtor. 1,000 into 2 it is comes to 2,000. 2 equity share capital account 2,000. Right narration being first call money due. Only this much enough due. The 8th one is what here? 8th entry is for first call money received. 8th entry is for first call money received. Right there. Bank account debtor 2,000. 2 equity share first call account 2,000. Right narration being first call money received. The first call money received. Then last transaction is final call. Second and final call. It is the first one to show the thing and then receipt. Right there. Equity share second and final call account debtor 2,000. 2 equity share capital account. It is to be capitalized. Capital account 2,000. Right narration being second and final call due money on this. Then last entry is for the receipt. Right. So when we receive bank account is to be debited. Right there. Bank account debtor 2,000. 2 equity share second and final call account. It is 2,000. Right narration being final call money received. Second and final call it is right. Received. Final call money received. These are the journal entries what we need to pass in the books of account. Now we will do some ledgers. How they appear in the ledgers. Okay. Now we will do some ledgers. Just you remember what are the ledgers we have to open. At a time we can open the ledgers. Okay. First here we have to open bank account, because in a bank account several transactions are there. All transactions are going to write. Okay. First you open the bank account. Bank account. Then better you open capital account. Then you can open application, share application account. For application and all this, two lines enough. Then next, then share application money, then share first call money, share allotment application, allotment first call final. These are different calls. So we will do it. Bank account, bank account. So we'll write there only one here, one column head I write, rest of you can write serial number, particulars, here it is ledger, that's how to write general folio amount in terms of rupees, serial number, particulars, general folio amount in terms of rupees. Now we write after time we write capital amount, equity share, capital account. Okay, then right there same number of you have to write. Column heads and all this you can write. Then afterwards we can write then equity share, application account, then equity share, allotment account, then equity share, first call account, then equity share, second and final call account. All these are still here. You have to come back. First entry is bank account debtor. To share application account. First entry is bank account debtor to equity share application account. How much we received? 2,700. Here 2,700 received. Entry as per it is just posted. Bank account debtor to equity share application account. Equity share application account, where it is? Here it is by bank. Right there. By bank it is 2,700 rupees. In the form of application it is received. Then after that it is second entry for this is share here capitalized. What is the entry is share application account debtor to share capital account. Share application account debtor to share capital account. Share application account must be debited. That means debtor side you write, debit side very big. Here you write share application account debtor to share capital account. Share capital account. ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 2000 ಮಾತ್ರ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ನೋಡಿ 2000 you have to take. Equity share application account debtor to share capital account 2000, and share capital account is to be credited, right? By equity share application account it is 2000. Okay, 2000. And then next entry is it is returned 200 returned to the unissued applicants. So it is returned. For the return, what is the entry there? Share application account debtor to bank account. To bank account. You will write there to bank account. The debtor means debit side credit. Debtor it is 200. Equity share application account debtor to bank account. Here you write by equity share application account. It is 200 received. Returned. So return is to be entered for the return. Then fourth entry is for adjustment. With the share application, equity share application account debtor to allotment account. Right there. To equity share allotment account 500. What is that? Equity share application account debtor to equity share allotment account. So equity share allotment account is to be credited there by equity share application account. By equity share application account 500. These are the posting entries for application money received. Okay, next we go for allotment. So what is the entries? First equity share allotment account debtor to share capital account. Equity share allotment account debtor to share capital account. To share capital account. To share capital account it is 4000. This is the fifth entry, you can see that. By equity share allotment account it is 4000. This is for it is due show, right? Now next entry is for the receipt. So bank account debtor right there. Bank account debtor is debit side debtor, right? To equity share allotment account. Equity share allotment account 3500 only, because 500 adjusted the application manually. Equity share bank account debtor to equity share allotment account. So here you write by bank. So it is 3500. So okay, this is for allotment money due and received. Then next is for the first call received. First you have to show. So what is the entries? Equity share first call account debtor to share capital account. To share capital account. It is 2000. Equity share first call account debtor to share capital account. That share capital account is to be credited. Right then, by share first call account. By share first call it is 2000. By share first call it is 2000. Okay, it is for the due. Then now we are receiving. For the receipt, what is the entry? Bank account debtor to equity share first call account. Bank account debtor, debit side credit to equity share first call. How much it is? 2000. Then equity share first call account is to be credited by bank. By bank it is 2000. It is 2000. Now equity share first call also received. Now last entry is event is second and final call due. So equity share second and final call account debtor to share capital account. So equity debtor means debit side not right, to share capital account to share capital account, it is again 2000. To share capital account 2000. Here in the share capital account, what we have to write is by second and final call. Final call. It is again 2000. Okay. It is for due. Now we are going to receive. So what is the entry in there? Bank account debtor to share first and final call account. Bank account debtor debit side rate to equity share first and final call. It is 2000. Bank account debtor to equity share first and final call. Now it is first for equity share first and final call by bank. By bank. By bank. It is 2000. I hope now all the entries are over. Now see and close it. Okay, this side is more bank account it is. Debit side is more, so you must close the debit side. This side is more, that side will close first. So it is, how much it is? 2, 2, 4, 4 and 5. And how much it is? 10,200. 10,200. Here also you write 10,200. It is debit balance. Debit side more means debit balance. Debit balance to the extent of 10,000. For this you write by balance carried down. By balance carried down. Debit balance. Now you see the capital account. This side more it is credit side more. Credit side you close. Credit side if you close, how much it becomes? Only 10,000. So write there 10,000. It is credit balance. Credit side more means credit balance. Here 10,000 you write there. 10,000. Write to balance carried down. 10,000. Okay, 10,000. Now close. Now you close the equity share application account. Both the side 2,700. No balance, right? No balance. 2,700. Both the side close it. And then come to the allotment account. Both the side 4,000. You close it. No balance carried down or brought down. No problem. Here also you come to the first call account. Both the side 2,000. Close it. No side balance is there. Close it. And last and final call. Second and final call also. Both the side 2,000. Close it. Okay. Now all the accounts are closed. All the ledgers are closed. Now we have to prepare. Now we have to prepare balance sheet. Now we need to prepare now balance sheet. Let us prepare balance sheet. Let us here prepare balance sheet. Here to show balance, we cannot prepare balance sheet in a full-fledged manner. Only we can show some items because other things are not there. Only bank and capital is there. How it appears in this side? Just you see balance sheet. Balance sheet of India Limited as on, because on particular date we need to prepare. I just draw few lines. Then here right. Here don't write particulars. Here liabilities and capital. Liabilities and capital amount in terms of rupees, assets and amount. It is also in terms of rupees. Right. Okay, now what are there here? Bank account balance carried, debit balance is there. So asset side comes bank. It is 10,000. Don't write Q and buy here. It is 10,000. Capital, trade balance is there. Capital. We can write equity share capital. Equity share capital. Share capital only 10,000. Other things are not there. Don't close as it is written. Okay. With this, we will conclude today's video class. Okay. We'll see other things in the next.